We've got Chris with us today from Farrat. Farrat is a manufacturer of thermal brakes. Chris has been giving us a presentation explaining how thermal brakes work. So thanks for popping down.
No problem.
Could you tell us what is a thermal brake?
Certainly. Thermal brakes are essentially a means of stopping the transfer of heat from one point in a building to another building. In our particular case, these are structural thermal brakes, so these are used where there's a need for both stopping the thermal transmittance and also for performing a structural task, such as being part of a main connection in steel.
Are they as strong as steel? Because obviously we have the member that sticks out of the building on one side and then another member of steel here, and we bolt it together. Is there any risk of this being cracked?
No, the material, our TBK material has a compressive strength equal to that of steel, but a much higher capacity for stopping thermal movement. Our TBL material again is a structural thermal brake, slightly lower compressive strength, but both capable of performing a structural performance.
So if it's as hard as steel, what is it made out of?
The thermal brake material TBK is a composite of resin and glass reinforcement. Our TBL material is an extruded thermoplastic.
And how do you manufacture them? Because obviously they're nice and square and they've got these holes here.
The materials that we have, we form in sheet forms, and then we water jet cut. It's a very dense material, and so it takes a water jet cutter to form the holes and also give very clean, crisp lines for the dimensions of the blade.
And the thicknesses, because why is it 25mm rather than 50 or 10mm?
What we found with the calculations is that 25mm is the optimum thickness for both thermal performance and structural performance. Any thicker than that, and you start to get issues with shear on the bolts. And like any insulating material, the thicker the better for the performance of the thermal performance.
And where are they manufactured?
We have a base up in Altrincham in Manchester, so that's where all our cutting is done.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Cheers. Thanks.